Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit and customize the menu in the Naver Whale Browser on your mobile phone. If you want faster access to your favorite tools, first, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, find and tap on the Change Layout option. Next, scroll down until you find the Edit menu option and tap on it. Now, you will see all available menu items displayed on the screen. Then, simply drag any menu item to rearrange it or move it to your preferred position. You can customize the menu based on what you use most while browsing. Finally, once you are happy with the layout, tap the Save icon at the top right corner of the screen to apply the changes. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.